Hi, I'm Tom Varner, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. Today's adventure takes us to the Franklin County Garage 1910's Museum in Benton, Illinois. Look at that, it's a Tommy gun. Look at that, it's a Tommy gun. That's kind of cool. This parking meter was made here in Benton. It's a 1914 Model T touring car. Look at that. It's a car from the 1880s. This truck was actually owned by Charlie Birger.
Oh, you just want to see the, I want to see the engine. Okay, so those two lists.
There's a soapbox derby car.
Another, and you're like, oh. And I am like a 3-year-old.
The museum is actually housed in connection with the local Chamber of Commerce. This is really neat looking at those old school lights. You don't see light fixtures like that too often anymore. Anywhere. Some neon lights in the window advertising brake service. There are no more brake serviced here though. Just some cars on display. Well, overall, the museum wasn't too bad. It's free. There's a handful of really old and really nice cars inside. It was worth stopping by. This has been another adventure in TV land, where we've checked out the Franklin County Garage 1910's Museum in Benton, Illinois. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, hit the like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe. Ring the bell. And if there's someplace else you'd like to see me go, let me know in the comments or send me a message. Thanks for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.